This is how I made this purple vest. Tailoring this vest was a nightmare. Not only I have these top stitches that will show and they need to be perfect, but I also had a lot to work with this black piping. Only for this small portion I just had to do it the third time. Breathe, just have a little bit of more patience. Doing the same thing third time at least just drains my patience. Also, working with this satin is hard because it's very delicate as a fabric. Not having a lining was a choice, that's why I choose instead to have this black piping as finishing detail. Okay, let's go at the beginning. This is the technical sketch for this vest. It should have been under this holographic coat, but because of the fabric that the coat was made of, I decided to make two different products. They just didn't work together as I thought. Last detail for this vest was to put the string to the piping. I also chose the string to be silky as the satin and black as the piping. This is how the vest looks before I use the piping to emphasize the waist, as it's a little bit oversized because it needed to. Pockets go over the piping because otherwise they would have been too small for my taste, also according to the technical sketch. I really like how this double neckline looks because it makes the product unconventional. Tell me what you think about this product and the design, and follow to see how I made the rest of the collection.